Damn, you pro at this shit now. Honestly, since you did the wheels and the fender, bro, I think you have the sickest looking 500 out of the whole crew.
I've had the sickest looking 500. I got the camera in my mouth.
With the stocks.
We fucking vlogging. Yo, what's crazy is how well it's actually flowed. Too bad I've like roasted the shit out of it already. Fucking mess of a car. Goggles? No. You rocking shades. This is the best $45 I have ever spent. Helmet. Oh, we got fucking big bike guy coming in. You got a new lid?
I've had for a while.
Oh.
I just don't wear it very often. Felt like being a dirt boy today. You know,
Oh, you usually rock the street helmet, huh?
Street helmet. Suicide Boys concert? Come on.
Yeah, we fucking gang.
Oh, my bad. Didn't mean to not buy anything to get ready for this trip, but I might see you guys. Possibly not.
Yeah.
Oh, let's meet up with him.
So I said, so let's meet up with him. He just woke up.
How's this angle with the camera if I'm like, I'm riding?
Looks like it's gonna be a whole bunch of trash GoPro footage.
Have you always had handguards
Yes.
on the bike?
No.
We're going to get Alex. Let's do it.
All right, this is now a rescue mission. So I still haven't got a mic, so like right now, I'm still unsure of like how well people are gonna hear me. This is my life. We're very hungover, but this is not bad. Our balance is still there. All right, it is so nice out. We went so hard last night, having a hard time getting everyone to link up, so we're going to meet up with the homie, Griffy Z. Oh shit! The Supermoto's worst nightmare, the freeway.
Look at that guy.
Man, Alex wanted.
What the fuck?
He's really outside.
Damn, look at that Benzo. Yo, you see that Mercedes up there with like the fucking fender flares?
That thing's sick. I was on the freeway a few times. It's like so rigid. It's like a go-kart watching him change lanes.
I want to go look at it, so I'm gonna get up next to him. Yeah, this thing's sick as fuck. Alright, people, hurry up so I can break the law.
This man got too much sleep, so he can't come outside, you know?
Apparently. Oh, it lives.
Come on.
Ride out, deliver it to your front door.
Oh, you want to try this shit real quick?
Oh yeah, it's on.
We have acquired the homie. Phone connected. Alright, we have reached objective number 2.
Get Alex's riding shoes. Oh, AJ just texted me, where are you guys at? Everyone's ignoring me because I can't scrape.
The CRF 450L is the opposite of smooth. That bike sucks.
That bike sucked, huh?
DRZ over that bike any day.
Damn, that's a hill you'll die on, you think?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, props to you, man.
I'm a diehard DRZ boy, I think, honestly. But I'll end up with a KTM as my next bike, obviously.
You know, once you have 2 bikes, you don't have to stop being a DRZ guy. You can just be a DRZ and a 500 guy, you know?
I would never have 2 Supermotos unless I was like super rich.
Well, you're gonna have 2 Supermotos then.
Oh, I'm gonna get super rich is what you're saying.
Off to objective 3 and 4. Pick up TJ Yoda, Capital Barbershop. They were not impressed. Oh my god, no way. No fucking way. Hey, that was a good attempt. That would have been a crazy ass turn to make it. Man's got the freshie put on. We are one stronger. Oh, they're all gone. They're all doing wheelies already. Look at that freshie. Oh my god. This guy's a madman. This man is so about it. Literally went out and bought a tire. Threw that shit on just to come squat up. I mean, what else can you ask for? That's what it's all about. See how long it takes him to get used to that, Johnny. Yeah, breaker in real nice. Bikes roll, they're just like, what the fuck are those guys doing? This guy literally just pulled over. Just come watch the squad get swirly.
Times are hard, but I'm you should know that I can't keep trust. I keep feeding off the roof. It's not what I get for. I can't keep up. It keeps you out the room. It's not what I get for. 'Cause right now you know it's supposed to be. Give you everything.
Oh shit, dog.
Oh shit, dude.
Well, keeping the tank top.
What up? We got some gas, we're good to go. Alright, mission objective number 4 accomplished. Meet up with Capital Barbershop. Next objective, ride more wheelies. Sunset set. Big shorts guy. Burned his leg on his exhaust like a week or 2 ago, and he just did it again. Look at that dog. Every time I put my back into neutral, the light goes green.
Watching the stage crew, looking the cash.
We can make this left hand
To all my Brooklyn, to all my uptown, watching the stage crew, to all my Bronx, to all my Queensbridge. Back up, choke, you know Biggie Smalls flips it quick and kicks it quick. You know how black niggas get with the hoods, fatigues, with the boots, with trees, smoking weed, flipping keys, making crazy cheese, hitting buck shots at niggas that open spots on the avenue. Take my loot and I'm bagging you. Pimping hoes that drop Volvos and rodeos, blast the roll, make them wet in they pantyhose. Damn, a nigga style is unorthodox. Grip the clock when I walk down the crowded block. Just in case a nigga wanna act out, I just black out, blow they motherfucking back out.
That's a cop behind us in the Ducati.
On a Ducati?
On the Ducati, it's a cop. Hey, he's off duty. What's he gonna do?
I don't know what he said, but it sounds like he's down.
When we smoke spliffs, we pack 4 fifths. Just in case Brett wanna rip, he get a free lift to the cemetery. Rough berry, not your ordinary. We watch you get buried.
That's gotta be one of my favorite tricks, the bunny hop. It's so simple. It's just so good. That never gets old. No handers are probably like right there with me. Oh my god. You know him?
Yeah, he said you're pumped.
Yeah. So much for the sunset. Guess that ain't happening. Oh, why are we going to Fiesta Island? I hate riding to Fiesta Island personally. Maybe that I'm better at slow wheelies now, it'll be more fun, but what am I saying? Look at that, we're next to the water. This is fucking awesome. God damn. I don't know, maybe I'll end the video here. Now that it's getting dark, keep the camera roll and see if anything exciting happens. Coaster guy. You gotta hear the audio of something. Oh god! It's not that I'm worried about going in dirt. I just don't want to get my bike dirty. Sometimes I wish I enjoyed something else as a hobby. Sometimes. Right now is not that time. So much attitude. I feel like this is gonna be a long video. This man cannot help himself. Sunday sumo day. Look at these guys, just straight vibing. Oh man, how romantic. Look at how cute they are. Alright. That guy's in a hurry. That guy really had the shit. It's actually not as dark as I had thought, because I forgot I'm wearing fucking sunglasses. So bad, first scrape of the ride, a little scared.